Pondmaster 1000 and 2000 Carbon Pond Pump Replacement Pad Filter, 6-pack. Pondmaster Replacement Carbon Filter Pad. 1 Carbon Filter Pad. For Pondmaster 1000 and Pondmaster 2000. Works for Pondmaster kits 02212. The Pondmaster Replacement Carbon Filter Pad will help you get your Pondmaster 1000 or 2000 running in peak condition once again. Pondmaster recommends replacing your filter pads at regular intervals so they don't mat down and impede flow within the filter. The carbon filter pad offers biological and mechanical filtration in your pond. It was designed to maintain the effectiveness of the original filter, and the filtration helps support the plant and fish life of your pond. Pondmaster promises high-quality materials, such as the coarse polyester and foam of the coarse pad, used to make high-end aquatic products. We are an authorized Pondmaster dealer. Includes 1-year warranty. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.